Hello, it's Steve here. Just doing a quick video. I'm out in the dunes north of North Bend, Coos Bay, or Coos Bay, North Bend, however you like to call it. But I met up with some friends out here, and for Rosie, there's Rosie, to go play for a little bit. But I figured this is a great spot to go fly my drone and check things out. And I'm outside the airport zone, and yeah, so hopefully I could get some footage and post that soon. So it's a little windy, and there's some clouds up there in the distance, and it's supposed to rain a little bit, but I'm hoping to get the drone up in the air real quick. So all right, well, hopefully this will be a good flight and no issues. All right, bye.